Dear student, it's a pleasure to meet you online for the first time. I'm really delighted to tell you that after a couple of lessons with your experienced new teacher John, a graduate of London Metropolitan and Michigan University, you will have realized that your English conversation skills and general performance, as well as your vocabulary and grammar, will have improved to a degree of absolute satisfaction, and you will be very pleased with the result. This is because you are a committed, great learner, and you have an experienced teacher who wants to guide you through the intricate journey of English language acquisition and mastery. To this purpose, I have created an innovative portfolio with contemporary topics and engaging subjects that can stimulate your critical thinking and reasoning to the desired level of an advanced learner. By the end of the course, you will be amazed at how fast you have conquered all the challenges of English comprehension and communication skills. It is my task, though, to guide and support you every step of this way become a confident communicator and perfect speaker. We strive together for excellence in our collaboration and interaction. Looking forward to seeing you soon in our class after you have booked your first lesson. And until then, take care, Tutor John.